gonna edit all his tears out.
No. That's the originality right there. My best videos are my kids making fun of me. Over the weekend we did a video of the stairs, me climbing up it. My daughter's at the top saying, yelling, "Come on, Dad!"
That exact thing.
You do. Oh, look what I got. Well, I don't know if this is a proper distribution. I don't know if that's the proper distribution, but it's something. There you go. See? Leave it to the OT to have something real functional over there. I was like, I'm pretty sure that Jen
The cheese
used to have
grater.
that.
What's the worst?
Feels better and better each week.
Yep. But the higher you go up, it's hurting more and more.
We can break it up into 2 sections today.
That don't matter. Just might as well get it done. Pain is only temporary.
More of a bend to your knee.
You can put a big bend on the knee if you want. Really stretch it out.
Good. All right, figure. Go to your leg press.
2 minutes this way. 2 minutes this way. Try to keep it balanced.
My one friend is really squeamish, and I sent him pictures of the knee opened up and stuff like that.
Right.
He told me over the weekend when I sent it to him, he was eating. He said he couldn't finish the rest of his meat.
I believe it.
I said, sorry, man, I didn't know you were eating. If I would have known you were eating, I would have sent it to you all the time.
Couldn't have waited 10 minutes.
Funny thing is, he's having spaghetti.
So it looked all bloody and whatnot.
Oh, wow, that felt great. Oh, that is a stretch right there. Oh, wow.
Yeah, you know it's tight because whenever I come up and compress that muscle, your foot's wanting to push against me.
This is such a good stretch, though.